सोचो, अगर एआई तुम्हारी जगह ले ले तो? आज एआई वीडियोस बनाता है. It generates high-end cinematic sequences and edits complex timelines in seconds. Coding करता है. It writes and deploys thousands of lines of functional software without a single human keystroke. Design करता है. It executes visual arts and graphic design, producing entire brand campaigns from a single text prompt. Throughout the early 21st century, we relied on the assumption that automation was a threat only to physical manual labor. We believed our cognitive labor, the work of the mind, provided a permanent safety net. The rapid rise of generative AI has dismantled that sense of security. White-collar professionals now face an era where algorithms perform high-level execution faster and cheaper than any human employee. कल शायद तुम्हारी जॉब भी. लेकिन सवाल ये है, क्या AI इंसान को रिप्लेस कर देगा?
To understand the future of the office, we have to look past the interface and analyze how these algorithms actually function. Modern AI operates strictly as a prediction engine. It does not possess an intellect, it possesses a statistical map. Look at this grid. The software ingests billions of human data points, identifying relationships to calculate a statistically probable next step. Because this process is purely mathematical, the machine maintains zero comprehension. It creates the what without awareness of the why. In programming, the AI isn't architecting a solution to a problem. It is guessing the most likely string of code based on historical patterns in its database. In design, the machine isn't expressing an emotion. It is blending visual tropes to satisfy the mathematical parameters of your prompt. This intelligence is a high-speed mimicry that creates the illusion of thought through sheer processing power. Since AI relies exclusively on existing data, its utility collapses the moment it encounters a scenario that hasn't happened before. It lacks context. An algorithm cannot navigate the unstated cultural nuances or the sudden environmental shifts that define real-world business. It lacks empathy. A machine cannot synthesize the human connection required for effective branding, high-stakes negotiation, or resonant story time. Most importantly, it lacks strategic intent. An AI can build a product, but it has no capacity to understand the market necessity or the human problem that product is meant to solve. This diagram illustrates the hierarchy. The AI loop provides infinite execution speed, but it requires the human node to provide the foundational intention that makes that speed useful. Without a human to define the goal and verify the result, the algorithm is a powerful engine with no one at the steering wheel. The economic value of simple execution is rapidly approaching zero.